Namaste friends. Now let us have a discussion about this picture. In this picture, it is about Raja the King. The name of this story is Raja the King. In this picture, what we are able to see, there is a teacher who is sitting with a storybook on her desktop, and the children are keenly listening to her class, and there is a blackboard at the back, and a photo of Gandhiji is displayed on the board, and there is a small window and some trees and something is there outside. See, the children are very keenly keeping their hand behind their chin. They are keenly listening to the story. The teacher is wearing a spectacle. There is a duster on the table. So, all the children are very much interested to listen to the story. So, the teacher started telling the stories. See, my dear friends, this is a very important thing. Listening is important. The better we listen, the keen observer, keen listener, this is a very important habit of a good student. A good student always will be a good listener. Only a good listener can learn better. And this is a habit of, make the habit of good listening, focused listening. Whenever we are listening, we must focus on what we listen. We have to keep our body, our mind, our soul, everything at a single point and listen carefully. That kind of focused listening is very helpful. The information will be just grasped very easily. And when we are listening, we are in the character. We are imagining ourselves into that character. So we are sinking into it. We are a part and parcel of that character and listening. This is the imagination. By listening, our imaginary skills will improve, which is a very important thing. The imaginary skills are the most important skills that can be developed. And when a teacher is listening to the story, reading a story, the children are listening to the story, very storytelling, story reading, story listening. This is going to improve the language skill. The more the languages you learn, the better tomorrow's leader you are going to be. The language skill is one of the very important. And when you are learning a language at your younger age, you will not be handicapped in the language. When you start learning the language at the age of, after you become an elderly person, you become handicapped in that language. That fluency is difficult. So the childhood is the best age to pick up the language. You learn the language unknowingly. You receive the things unknowingly. And a good listener always should keep a book and a pen and write the important words which he doesn't know. Listening and writing simultaneously is a wonderful habit. An ideal student will do it. Listening and writing you need not write everything. You must write the thing which is very important. That key note making. It may be a single word. It may be a single small sentence. It may be something which is very small. But listening and writing is going simultaneously. That is the best habit a student must nurture. Whatever may be the age group. And that should continue throughout the life. Whatever the thing that you are listening, always listen with a book and a pen in your hand. This is an important habit. And imagining yourself in that character is important. In this story, the boy, after listening to the story, he started sleeping just lying down on the desktop. And he went into sleep. And in that sleep, he is imagining himself as a king, as if the king is going on an elephant, a white elephant. He is making himself to sit on that white elephant. See, in this imaginary world, anything is possible. And he is enjoying the story in his dream. Yes, when we are sinking ourselves into the story, even sometimes we dream that story. So, my dear friends, have the habit of reading the story every day, one story at least. or 2 stories at least. Make it a habit of reading a story. Make it a habit of picking up some words from that story. Make it a habit of telling the story, narrating the story. Find out the gist of the story. And the important point, what you have taken, the morality, what you have taken from the story. You imbibe that attitude in you. See, whatever the story you are reading, it's not just for the sake of reading. One good quality must be imparted in you, must be induced in you. The impact of that story should be there on us. So this is the way a person can change their lives. Try to read as many stories as possible. Ask your parents and grandparents to tell you the bedtime stories. You also keep telling the stories to your friends. Enjoy the stories. Thank you.
Today's class, already we have discussed about Raja the king, right? Okay. What do you see in the given picture? What kind of environment it is? It is a classroom, right? How can you say that it is a classroom? Because we can find a blackboard, a teacher sitting on the chair, a table, a duster, and children on their benches, right? Okay. What is the Telugu name for the Raja is the king. What is the name of the story? Raja the king. Okay. Telugu name for king is Raja. Okay, children. Next, all of you turn your papers. Let me read out the story for you. Everyone see in your books or in your papers. Okay. Raja is at school. Where is Raja? He is at the school. The name of the boy is Raja. Okay. Raja is at school. He is in his classroom. He is listening to his teacher. The teacher is telling the new lesson in the classroom, and this boy, Raja, is listening to the teacher. She is reading a new story. On that particular day, teacher started a new story in the classroom, and all the children are very enthusiastically or very curiously, they are listening to the teacher. It is a story about a king. Okay. Raja is looking at the picture of the king on an elephant. See, in olden days, most of the Rajas used to roam in their kingdom on the elephants. Okay. So look at Raja now. See, this boy is Raja and he is dreaming. He is dreaming. About what he is dreaming? He is sleeping in the classroom, and now Raja is a king. He is dreaming that he became a Raja in his dream on a big white elephant. Okay. What is the color of the elephant? It is white in color. Okay. So what qualities should a king have? What are the qualities that a king should acquire? The king should be very energetic, and he should speak well with the people in his kingdom, and he should protect his kingdom, and he should maintain law and order, and he should bless others in his kingdom. These are the qualities that every leader or every king should acquire. Okay. And next, the leader should be always generous. He should be very kind, and he should be very intelligent. Okay. And the king should be always kind-hearted. Did you understand, children, now? Raja the king. Okay, now let us see the exercise part. Okay. Already we have discussed previously that we have two options and you have to choose a correct one in the given options. Okay. Raja is in a classroom or in the picture? Raja is in the classroom. Okay. He is talking or listening to his teacher. He is listening to his teacher. She is reading a story or a book about the king. She is reading a story about the king. The king is sitting on an aeroplane or an elephant. The king is sitting on an elephant. Raja is sleeping and now he is a king. Yes, in his dreams, Raja became the king. Okay, children. Next, all of you turn your papers. Let us see the matching now. King, school, elephant, teacher, and sleeping. Okay, king. Where is the king here? See, he is the king. Where is the school? This is the school. And sleeping. Who is sleeping here? See, Raja is sleeping and teacher is teaching and elephant. See, this is the elephant. Okay, children. Now, let us discuss some new words that we came across in the given story. First one is Raja. R-A-J-A. Raja. Okay. The wife of Raja is Queen. Okay. Next, classroom. C-L-A-S-S-R-O-O-M. Classroom. Next one, listen. Next one, teacher. Next one, reading. Okay. Next, story. Next, look. Next one, picture. Next one, elephant. Last one, white. The color of the elephant is in which color? White color. Okay, children. Now I request everyone to note down the same new words in your answer book and practice reading and writing. Okay. Thank you all.